source for official weather information across the Western Finger Lakes and the Genesee Valley. KHA 53 operates on a frequency of 162.40 MHz. Keep statement for counties.
Dust statement for counties, Lewis, including Rochester. The National Weather Service in Seneca Falls has issued a dust advisory for Lewis County until 2 p.m. At 12:57 p.m., a dust channel was 5 miles north of Lawville, or 20 miles southeast of Fort Drum, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Dust statement for counties, Lewis, including Rochester. The National Weather Service in Seneca Falls. This is a hazardous weather outlook. Hazard, wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, radar. This is a hazardous weather outlook. Hazardous below trees, small severe thunderstorm and flooding. Center, beach, hazards, streets and underpasses. Locations impacted include Rochester and Exeter Center. This includes Interstate 70 near Exit 16, Interstate 295 between exits 62 and 76.